everybody, welcome back to the channel, guys. I apologize I didn't get y'all a video out last week, but some parts got delayed that were ordered, and 85% of them have finally showed up. We're still waiting for a couple other things, but first things first, we're gonna go over some stuff. As many of you know, my 1997 Mustang Cobra here, Project Fang, is finally back home after 4 years. Biggest thing was, of course, the car's been painted. Everything else is nearly identical. I got some parts to go over in the front of this car here in a few minutes. But my biggest thing is that for this video was, number one, as many of you know, I got these export taillights from Saudi Arabia. I waited almost 4 months for them. If you got a keen eye, you see what's in there. I actually hit the guy up. I actually have a set of power export folding mirrors for a 94 98 car, already black, ready to go. We're probably going to put them on in this video. I got my seat track extensions for my long-legged tail, so this way I can actually get comfortable in the car. And then if you look over here, man, I got some boxes. What are these? Yeah, don't look over here just yet. We'll go over those here in a second. First things first, let's open these up, see what we got here. Now, guys, I have not opened these up yet 100%. You can see right there, I still have not opened it up. So this is technically, I guess you could say, an unboxing video. I did order some new wheels from Late Model Restoration. You can see SVEs, but which ones did I get? So ladies and gentlemen, let's find out. I did stick with 18s. I did stick with chrome, but man, they've packed these. They're packing these wheels a lot better than they used to. I can tell you that much right now. Survey says, well, never mind, guys. You can see it right there. Yes, I did chrome Series 2s, 18x9, 18x10s. I love the chrome look on a black car, especially this car. And I love the way these wheels are. Everybody has got the Series 3s. And of course, Series 1s they didn't offer in chrome. And the way I look at it, that's a lot of cleaning to do. And these are still gonna give me the 5-spoke style. And just look at them. These things are so freaking clean. And of course, these are the fronts. The rears are in the other box. But now we're gonna go over the tires I ordered. The Salines that are on the car. Let me move back, there we go. The Salines that are on the car have Nittos on them. I like Nitto tires, but I wanted something, because I'm not going to be driving this car a lot, I wanted something that's going to be a tad more on the aggressive side. So I actually did some reviewing and found these right here. These are from Kenda Tire. These are their, where are they at? Venza UHPs. You can see these are my rears, 285, 35, 18. And from what I understand, these things are basically almost a autocross tire as far as how sticky they are. I mean, I can feel it right here. I mean, they're pretty dang good, especially once they get broke in. So that's what's going to be going on the car, along with the Series 2 wheels, along with the export mirrors, the seat track extensions. And let's go to the front now, and this way you can see what I've done in the front of the car. All right, guys, front of the car, we did do some changes. I ended up changing headlights out. We ordered, these are the ones from Late Model Restoration. These are, I believe, they are the smoked Cobras. I'll throw a link up here to them for you. I love the way they look. I love that they look almost OE with just, you know, the nice smoked look. I like that. And also, I got rid of the LED turn signals and went back to factory fog lights for the Cobra. Thankfully enough, the brackets and everything were still in place. I actually had to find some bolts to put them back in. But now, guys, what I did as far as bulbs, let me show you. All right, guys, as far as the bulbs go, you can see right there, I kept the LED headlights, and I got to do some better aiming to them because they're not aimed the best. But yes, I did yellow fog lights. It's kind of one of those things I've always really liked with these cars. But yeah, I think it's a good contrast for the car. And like I said, these smoke lenses from LMR look just awesome. And plus, I actually like that the headlights actually have weight to them, unlike all the other aftermarkets. These feel like a true OE replacement, just with a smoke lens, because the actual lens and the actual housing has weight to it. It don't feel like just cheap, you know, plastic. I mean, it all just looks, to me, just looks freaking awesome. Of course, none of that's changed yet. We'll go over that in another video. But guys, just a short and sweet video. I'm gonna get the car out and get it cleaned up. Gonna try to go to Cars and Coffee in the morning, meet up with a few of the guys from Foxcast and everything. And also, I got to wait for my other 2 tires to show up so I can get these new Series 2s mounted and balanced to get them on the car. And also, we might have a special guest on the next video, so stay tuned for that. But anyway, guys, short and sweet video. Thanks for watching. Keep an eye out. We're going to be putting all the upgrades in place, and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.